Let me ask Sonakshi. In the earlier generation, Sonakshi, finding a life partner was the responsibility of the parents, right?
Absolutely.
Elders, parents would get together, meet people, get the couple to meet each other, okay? Now technology has taken over in a big way, okay? And it's completely changed the game. What are your thoughts on this shift?
I'm not, first of all, thank you so much for the great question. Actually, it's a very interesting question. And reason behind, मेरी शादी भी ऐसी हुई है. There is a website and I got married.
Wow.
That is amazing, yes.
I completed 8 years already, happily, with my husband, and we are very happy. I mean, we are very opposite. Like, he thinks in a different way because he's into the HR side, I'm into the PR side. So our thought process are very, very different. But look at us, we are so happy. And I definitely say, technology, like, we are increasing day by day.
Share with us the story of your marriage, Sonakshi, and let me know how was your experience.
About my marriage, of course, it's through website only, and it was 2016. I got married with Shashank. He is into HR, and I was into the PR and media. So tough तो बहुत था. Reason when I have seen his picture on that profile, it was literally not at all good. I was like, मैं नहीं कर सकती इस बंदे से शादी. You know, that, I can't even talk.
नॉर्मली उल्टा रहता है ना, पिक्चर्स अच्छे डालते हैं. यस.
But profile picture was not at all good. And but my friend forced, and she said ki no, you have to give chance at least. And when I start talking to him, I believe and I feel like, oh my god, he's such a nice guy. सबसे important होता है हर marriage में value होनी चाहिए बंदे की.
करेक्ट.
Relationships is secondary, but if you are not kind enough, if you don't have a value, and even आप down to earth नहीं हो, तो how come you will take care of me? So that all values I have seen, and I've seen कि yes, he is the right guy. But एक interesting story ये है, twist है basically. If you allow me, I can share.
यस प्लीज.
So basically, in I think 20 days, we decided कि families मिले साथ में, और families मिली. Families ने decide किया कि ठीक है, लड़की अच्छी है, लड़का अच्छा है. And मेरी साइड से फिर initiative हुआ शशांक को. I said I love you, and he said thank you to me. And I was like, भाई अफेयर चल रहा है इसका. This is not at all, he is not for me. But yeah, I got married, and last 8 years I'm with him, and I'm so happy.
So, how do you see the role of parents changing from previous traditional ways to newer ways where children come and tell them that we need to be heard? Did you have any problems with your parents hearing that? No, right?
No, not at all. They are very open-minded, and I think सबको ही ऐसा होना चाहिए because it's a freedom basically. This century is something else.
And also when you're, yes, and also when you're using an app, you want to be sure that, or a marriage site, how do you verify that everything that is written by the people on that site is correct? How would you say for sure that you can verify that?
I think definitely verified पहले already website पे होती है, but I would suggest to all of them, आप सबको भी verify करना चाहिए because this is a lifetime decision. It's not कि आज शादी की कल ठीक है divorce दे दिया. No, you have to verify. This is your lifetime decision. It's not token of love कि हाँ ठीक है एक gift दिया वापस ले लिया. You know.
और सब बात भी करनी ज़रूरी है ना कि आप पहले से ही पूरी बात कर दो.
And I can give you my example in this way. मेरे husband non-veg नहीं खाते हैं, मैं खाती हूँ. We shared each and everything.
Yes, so correct, Sonakshi, what you said.
Guys, फिर तो बाद में तो problem आएगी for sure.
Yeah. And Fareed, can I ask you, why is it important to talk about everything, and how do you inquire from another person while meeting in the first and the second time? Always एक झिझक रहती है कि मैं ये क्वेश्चन पूछूं कैसा लगेगा अगर फर्स्ट मीटिंग में अगर आप रिडिकुलस क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हो जो आपको रिडिकुलस लगता है तो would you do that? How do you do that? Can you share something about that?
I think it's a very brilliant question actually, and you hit the nail actually. It varies personality to personality, right? If you're an introvert, you might come to the point after 4 or 5 meetings. If you're an extrovert, and a super straightforward, like I think the mode of today's focus group is. So you would straight hit the nail, and you will share, okay, ये मैं करता हूँ, ये आप करते हो, do you think there are synergies in it? I think let's take it same as the business meeting, right? होता क्या है in business meeting, we try to compare, is there a compatibility, and we enter with a future partnership plan, and we also enter with an exit plan कि okay ये no go areas है, do you think we can associate ourselves with it, या आपके no go areas क्या है, मेरे no go areas क्या है. And I think after that point of honesty is the best policy that plays a very vital role. If the other partner is willing to take you up, because क्या हो सकता है, let's think about it, remarriage में you could have the baggage of your kids. Is the other partner willing to take that baggage? You could have a kind of financial, जैसे if you are talking about US Canada, and ये बहुत important point है कि men's who are considering remarriage, उनके लिए financial liability बहुत ज़्यादा होती है from the first divorce. On the other side, contrary to this, women don't have financial liability. So that's why if you see the stats, men on the US side think about those obligation के पहले वाली alimony चल रहा है government के साथ, while females don't have that. So there are different resistance in different society. जबकि ईस्ट की तरफ आप देखो तो मेन्स आर द फास्टेस्ट टू रीमैरी, बट वुमेन के लिए, बेचारी के लिए सोसाइटल प्रेशर और बहुत सारी चीज़ें आ जाती हैं, बट फाइनेंशियल ऑब्लिगेशन नहीं है. बट आई थिंक व्हेन बोथ द पीपल सिट ऑन द टेबल, दे टॉक कि भाई ये चीज़ें हैं, ये बैगेजेस साथ आ रहे हैं, वुड यू हेल्प मी कैरी दिस लोड and share and synergize, and let's say if the partner is happy after the first second meeting, boom. जबकि ये चीज़ तब सामने आए जब पूरा प्रोसेस हो चुका है, एंड देन यू शेयर, अच्छा 2-3 पॉइंट्स थे जो कि डिस्कशन में नहीं आए थे, राइट? सो गुड टू बी ऑनेस्ट इज द बेस्ट पॉलिसी, आई थिंक.
So true. Mr. Rizwan, would you like to add something to this point?
Yes, what I would say कि फैमिली के अंदर जो इम्पोर्टेंट है वो जैसे मैंने बताया ना, अंडरस्टैंडिंग.
Yeah.
और दूसरा क्या है कि आज के टाइम में दोनों इनकम जनरेट करते हैं, तो दोनों के बीच के अंदर जो गैप नहीं होना चाहिए, ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है आज के समय के अंदर. इसके लिए पहले माँ बाप शादी करवाते थे, आज बच्चे अपनी चॉइस से करते हैं. क्यों? कि बच्चे अपने कैरियर को भी साथ में देखते हैं, अपनी इंडिपेंडेंसी साथ में देखते हैं, तो वो पहले से ही वो ऐसे फ्रेंडशिप करके वो चेक करते हैं कि हाउ विल गो विथ हिम और हर. तो ये बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है कि दोनों के अंदर ये म्यूचुअल अंडरस्टैंडिंग एंड रिस्पेक्ट होनी चाहिए, एक दूसरे को कैरियर के लेके, एक दूसरे की प्रोफेशनल लाइफ को और एक दूसरे की पर्सनल लाइफ को लेकर.